Mark. So we have a master evaluator today. Is none other than who else can you expect? Toastmaster DTM Viji. She joined in the year 2011. She participated in various roles in club like Satish and division, district, everything. And now she's happily enjoying the Pathways program. You will all be carried away. And I would say for evaluation, she is my role model. Over to you, DTM Viji.
Thank you so much, DTM Jayanti ma'am. Good morning, members of Meraki and Coromandel. As a master evaluator today, I will be evaluating the evaluators who evaluated the prepared speakers. To start off with the first evaluator, Toastmaster Murli. Murli, I love the way you had your analysis in place. It was informative. The way the speaker, you commended the speaker on the way he stood up, the summary, real life examples from personal and professional stories, and your recommendations on the icebreaker, how to include it, and the right hand was spot on. And I love the technique where you used 4 commendations to 2 recommendations. You had the summary in place. What could have been better today, Murli, was you took too much of time on the commendation. So what really happened was towards the yellow, end of yellow is when you realized for recommendation and you started off, and I'm very sure you would have overshot the time today. So Murli, always for commendations, keep it very crisp and short so that evaluation is all about recommendation and how to demonstrate it. You will have enough time for recommendation. So that's my one key takeaway for you today. Now, moving on to our next evaluator, Vijay Rajan. You had spot on analysis, 3 commendations, very crisp, title, structure, and the content. You had only 1 recommendation, and that is on the slide. I absolutely love the way it was crisp, and you moved on to the recommendation part where it was slide. I love the way you had this heard, saw, felt technique in place. You spoke about what you heard from Sundaraman's speech, how you felt about the slide presentation, and what you saw in the slide presentation. So that heard, saw, felt technique fell in place for you today, Vijay Rajan. You absolutely missed the summary. Completely missed the summary. Please take time to summarize, Vijay Rajan, in case you're intending to contest. And even not for contest, it is always very good to summarize your evaluation. That's one point. 2, a very important tip, avoid words like maybe, probably when you're giving a recommendation. When you said, maybe if you have reduced words in the slide, maybe if you have had to, the word maybe and probably indicates you are not very sure about your recommendation, right? So the next time you give out any recommendation to any speaker, make sure you avoid words like probably, maybe when you're giving a recommendation. Be very sure. My specific recommendation to you today is this and this, right? So those were my 2 observations for you, Vijay Rajan. And moving on to our final evaluator, Toastmaster Gopinath. I love that immediate connect that you brought in with the speaker. When you said you were just sitting casually on the couch, and the moment you heard that tapa 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 sound, you got hooked up to this. Very well. It was so genuine and it came out spot on. The first 20 seconds are very crucial, and I would say you absolutely caught my attention as an evaluator in the first 20 seconds. Very well done. I love the way you had very crisp commendation, just words and what those words meant to you. The connect to the speaker, the characterization, and the wordplay. Brilliantly done today. Now you had 2 specific recommendations, spot on the recommendation. Too many characters and the convincing pace was very fast. Spot on the recommendation. I like the way you use the sandwich technique. What you could have done today, Gopinath sir, is always, always, always in evaluation, don't say it, do it. Though you recommended spot on recommendations to your speaker, you did not demonstrate it. For example, there were too many characters. So what should the speaker do the next time? The next time I speaker, limit your characters to just 3 so that the names will actually stick on to my mind. Number 1. Number 2, your convincing pace was very fast. The next time, for example, pick out a line from Nagaraj's speech and put it out in a slow pace for the speaker to understand your recommendation. So these are my 2 observations for you, Gopinath. Overall, I loved the way the evaluators used sandwich technique and brought out a very positive note in evaluation. After all, evaluations is all about evaluating to motivate the speakers. Well done, evaluators, and good luck for the next time. Back to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Viji. We'll just quickly go on to the grammarian report. DTM Bala.
One second, I'll try to share my screen. It said electronic. So right, one second.
Please try now, Bala. You should have access to share.
Or can we go with the timer and then come back to the grammarian for want of time?
Better. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Anand.
Yes.
Priyatham, maybe you can call Anand.
Anand is a project lead in L&T. So he also believes in teamwork, and he said, trust my teammates, help in difficult times. This is how I motivate my team. Over to you, Anand. Please share your time and report.
A very good morning to fellow Toastmasters and welcome guests. Here is my timer report. Let me share my screen. Everyone can see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
For book review, Toastmaster John took 10 minutes 17 seconds. For prepared speeches, DTM Satish took 12 minutes 14 seconds and DTM Sundar Raman took 6 minutes 23 seconds. Toastmaster Nagaraj took 7 minutes 2 seconds. For table topics, Toastmaster Sankara took 2 minutes 18 seconds. Toastmaster P.R. Shankar took 1 minute 35 seconds. And Toastmaster Badrinath took 1 minute 30 seconds. For evaluators, Toastmaster Murli took 3 minutes 43 seconds. Toastmaster Vijayaradhan took 2 minutes 32 seconds. Toastmaster Gopinath took 2 minutes 49 seconds. All speakers are qualified. All the speeches are within the allotted time. Thank you for this collaborative meeting between CTC and Meraki. It's been a pleasure to witness these wonderful speeches. Back to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Anand. Last but not least, we have our counter for the day, Toastmaster Abhinaya.
We go to Bala and then come back to our counter, Priyatham. Is that fine for you?
Sure.
I think Bala is ready.
Yes, Bala.
Sorry, I cannot share my screen. I'm attending through tablet, noted down in the laptop. So I will read out the good usages first. Liberally, lavishly, greater heights, market capitalization, penultimate day, compartmentalization, rapport, verdict, perceive, dissect, outsmart, protege, reinforce, reveal, criteria, barrier. This is a good usage of the words. And also vulnerable, peekaboo, human connect, spot on analysis, convincing face. If you want to go long, go alone. If you want to go longer, go together. Intelligent and innocent rascal, history and mystery, leaps and bounds. These are good usages, and room for improvement or not good usages, like fabulous, pronounced as fabulous instead of fabulous. The project that was shall be used instead of the project which was. A date given shall be replaced with conveyed with the scheduled date. I was started my career. Instead of that, I had started my career in the year, can mention with a period. Sit straight shall be replaced with sit erect. Usage of word of the day, collaborate 3 times. Usage of theme only 1 time. Whatever I heard. Thank you, and thanks Toastmasters. Over to TMOD.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, DTM Bala. And let us quickly now move on to Toastmaster Abhinaya to share our counter report.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Priyatham. So today, we had a lot of crutch words used in our meeting. Toastmaster Gopinath and Toastmaster Aarti had only 2 crutch words today. Toastmaster Gopinath had 1 and 1 short pass, and Toastmaster Aarti had 2 Rs. Toastmaster Karthikeyan had 2 so and 3 short passes. Toastmaster Satish, you had 3 plus Rs, 3 plus so, and you are in love with this word this and you also have a lot of short pauses when you are speaking. 2 repeated words finally. Toastmaster Jayanti had 3 plus R's, 2 hum and 1 so. Toastmaster Priyatham had 3 plus R's, 2 and 1 so. Toastmaster John, you love the word and you are using it very frequently, so try to avoid it consciously in the future. And you had 2 repeated words, to and so. Toastmaster Sundaraman sir, you had 3 plus R's and you repeated even though twice. I'm not going into detail so much. I'm just giving an overview. Toastmaster Jayanti Manikam, you had 3 plus R's and 3 plus so. Toastmaster Shankara, you are using very often. So try to be conscious about it. Toastmaster Vijayarajan had 3 plus R's. Toastmaster Shankar had repeated he and as twice. So total number of crutch words used by Meraki is 83 and total number of crutch words used by CTC is 92, as you can see in the screen, which is projected by Bhutatan. So that's all from my report. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I see another DTM Satish here in the form of Abhinaya. I have never heard such an elaborate counter report with the pie chart. See the value of online meeting here.
After
My
seeing that pie
God.
chart, I remember of an apple pie.
And one more thing, Priyatham, I would like to add here that every time I get confused if a master evaluator falls into the evaluator bucket or falls into the role player bucket. For an online meeting, you don't even have to be worried. Whosoever name is popping up as a person to be voted, just go and cast your vote. We just have to say, vote for best evaluator, vote for best role player. Done. Our job is very neat. Okay, now I'm going on to my job. Vote for the best evaluator. Toastmaster Ashok will give a link or a pop-up for you to vote.
Open. Poll is open. Please vote.
And also it's a radio button. You can't give it for 2 as you can write it down in a paper. Yes. Now
Perfect.
for, yeah, okay.
I'm ending that.
Yes. Next for our role players.
Role players. Yeah. I'm opening that.
Or, okay.
Launch poll.
And next for our tag role players.
Tag role player poll is on.
Yes, that was super quick.
Perfect. That's done. Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ashok. Jayanti, I think we have come to the end of the session, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes, but already we are 9-9. So I think we have to pardon our audience by not asking them to do anything else or anything. So I want to have a breakfast, Priyatham, fairly speaking, because another few minutes Satish would be taking, another few minutes somebody else will be taking, another few minutes all the feedback will be taking. It will go to 9:30. So pardon me if I'm not speaking much now. And I had a wonderful time with Priyatham. The journey was awesome. I would even present as a project for doing a TMOD, taking so much of pains before. I've never done it in my life, Priyatham, frankly speaking. He scripted it. I'm only a role player here, my dear team. He is the director of the show. Give him all a big round of applause.
Thank you so much, but it is not possible without the support of DTM Jayanti. She's really amazing. She took her time off, though she was unwell. Thank you so much for guiding me all the way. And we have come to the end, and I didn't want to take much time. I just wanted to say one thing. Let us all unmute 1 second and say on a count of 3, 2, 1, synergy is energy, and we would be handing over to the presiding officer. So on a count of 3, 2, one. Synergy is energy.
Energy.
Yes.
Now the
that
grammarian
was a
can
great-
give that. So many of them have said the theme now.
Yes. So that is all from my end. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. That is me, Toastmaster Preetham,
DTM Jayanti signing off.
signing off. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.